In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Outlook Calendar with Google Calendar. By the end, your Outlook events will appear right inside Google Calendar, so you can see everything in one place without switching tabs. We'll start in Outlook on the web. Open Outlook.com and look for the gear icon in the top right to open Settings. Scroll to the bottom of the panel and choose View All Outlook Settings. In the sidebar, go to Calendar, then select Shared Calendars. This is where Outlook lets you publish a calendar link that other apps can read. Under Publish a Calendar, choose the calendar you want to share. Most people use their primary calendar, and set the permission level. If you want full event titles, locations, and notes to show up in Google, pick and View All Details. If you only need busy and free times, you can pick the more limited option, but most users prefer full details. Click Publish and Outlook will generate two links. Copy the ICS link, not the HTML one. ICS is the industry standard format that Google Calendar can subscribe to. Next, open a new browser tab and go to Google Calendar, then sign into your account. On the left sidebar, find the section labeled Other Calendars. Click the plus sign next to it and choose from URL. Paste the ICS link you copied from Outlook into the field, then click Add Calendar. Google will subscribe to that feed and pull in your Outlook events. If you're prompted to give the calendar a name, enter something clear and confirm so you can recognize it at a glance. Once it's added, you'll see the Outlook calendar appear under Other Calendars, and your events will display on your grid. You can adjust the color to make it stand out without changing anything in Outlook. That's it. Thanks for watching.